When I got to Dr. Gurney, I had no idea what to expect. I was a little scared, but he set my mind at ease. He told me everything that would be done, and that they suggested highly that we pull all the top teeth. But in the meantime, you have temporaries where you can eat and you can carry on, you can smile, and pretty much pursue your life that way. And they looked a whole lot better than my real teeth. And I am not constantly worried and in pain about the root canals. Every single time I would go to the dentist, it was another problem. It was a lot more money. You just keep going and you keep getting crowns and root canals, and then they didn't work. And you're constantly worried. Your teeth are so fragile by that time that they break. I can smile with confidence. I can eat with confidence. I'm not worried about chomping down on an old filling and having the whole tooth crack away. Confidence is the one word that comes to my mind.